It's a landmark day for us, for sure. I see this as kind of a reopening of the campus for the community.
Thank y'all so much for joining us. This is our first production over here in the Hamptons for Underground, and we wouldn't have it any other way.
This is a part of what American history is. People think about this type of thing and they think about, Black history, and it is Black history, but it's also white history, and it's also American history. It's one thing to read it and to have someone tell you about it. It's another thing, I think, to experience it. So that's the experience that we want to bring in. There's nothing like the theater.
We felt it was very important to come here to the Avram Theater as we prepare for our Black History Month celebrations and lessons. We thought there was no better way for students to really understand than coming here to this beautiful theater in Stony Brook Southampton campus and really have that lesson in person and in collaboration and tie into the arts. We thought was just a phenomenal experience for our students.
The community has been welcoming. The Avram Theater is beautiful. I walked in, I was like, oh, this is gorgeous. Like, it's a gorgeous space. There's so much room that's in the back, which, it's a technical thing, but for us cast and crew, to be able to have room to maneuver and move, and for, dressing rooms and things like that. And so I think it's a really gorgeous space.
I really want the community to really feel like they can come here. There's a robust things happening year-round, especially in the off-season.
To be here on this campus so close to our high school and to have this amazing theater, I could see this as the start of many times of us collaborating with Stony Brook and the Avram Theater and bringing our kids here. So we're excited about the future as well.
So this is the start of what I hope is just a landfall of new opportunities for Southampton.